So what we're standing in right now is Princess Fairytale Hall. It's a new part of New Fantasyland. And what this is this is where all the royal subjects of Fantasyland can come and visit with our princesses. We're creating an incredibly lush environment for the princesses. It's really detailed, it's going to be really beautiful, and it's really pretty. And although the construction doesn't look like much now, when you come and see it when it opens, it's going to be pretty spectacular.